Hello everyone, let's start our class. In the last class we learned about hiragana, katakana and combined sounds. Today we will learn few vocabulary using combined sounds. So first let's repeat what kind of combined sounds we learn. We learn if we add E sound letters with ya, you, yo, we can turn it into combined sounds. So if we write ki and ya, it will become kya. If we write ki and a small yo, u, it will change into q. And similarly, if we write ki and small yo, it will become kyo. So let's learn how do we say doctor in Japanese. Doctor in Japanese is isha. Isha. So e will be written as this and sha will be she and small ya. So this will become doctor, isha. Next, what is tea in Japanese? Tea is called ocha. So o, chi and a small ya. O, cha. Ocha is for tea. Next, if we write singer, singer in Japanese is called kashu. Ka, shu. So ka is like this and shu will be she and small u. Kashu is singer. So this is how we write combined sounds in Japanese hiragana. Next we'll learn long vowels. Long vowels. So vowels are there a, e, u, a and o. These 5 letters are used for making any long sound or long vowels. For example, if we write obasan, which is aunt, we will write o, ba, san. It means aunt. If we stretch it, o, ba and we put a here, it become obasan. And this would mean grandmother. Obasan, aunt. Obasan, grandmother. Similarly, if we write oji-san, oji-san is uncle. And if we stretch, elongate G with E, it will become oji-san. Oji-san is grandfather. Next, yuki. Yuki is for snow. If we stretch it like you, ki, yuki. Yuki is courage. So u is getting stretched with u sound. Next is a. A is for picture. Okay. So if we stretch a with a, it will become a. That is for yes. So yes has 2 vocab. One is a, which is used in conversation most of the times, and second is hi. Hi is also yes. Here we are elongating a with another a to make it a. Next is toru. Toru means to pick something or to take something. If we elongate to with O, it will become toru, which is pass, to pass. Toru is a verb. Toru and toru, both are verb here. Next is koko. Koko means this place or here. If we elongate both, suppose koko, ko and then ko, it will become high school. It is an abbreviation of koto gakko, and koko is the popular word. It means high school. So how we have elongated a sound? Ba has been elongated with a. E sound has been elongated with e. U sound has been elongated with u. A. O sound has been elongated with o, and here also O sound has been elongated with u. So now we learn how to elongate using vowels and to make it a long vowel. Next we will do the double sound in Japanese. Double sound is very easy. We will use tsu and we will write it in 1/4 like this. Okay. So suppose the word for magazine in Japanese is, for example, if we take magazine, it is zashi. So she is elongated. Sorry, she is double sound here. Zashi. So first we will write za. So we will write sa, put ten, it will become za. Then we will put she, and a small tsu will come before she. So whatever sound we need to do double, we'll put small tsu before it, and it will become a double sound. Zashi is for magazine. Similarly, the word diary is nikki. Nikki, the sound is ki has been doubled here. So ni, hiragana is here, ki is this, and we'll put a small tsu. So how it has been written? We'll make a 3 square boxes. We'll make 1/4 to write tsu. So ni and ki will take the whole box and tsu will take 1/4 of the square. So this is how we'll write nikki. Next we take the example of stamp. Stamp is called kitte. So ki, te, and then small tsu here. Take another example. Ticket. Ticket is called kippu. Kippu will be ki, pu has been doubled. So small tsu and then pu. Kippu is for ticket. Now our pets. Pet is in katakana. It is just like that, has been incorporated in Japanese language from English. So it is petto. Katakana pe, small tsu, and then to. Petto for pet. So this is how we do any sound double. Next we will learn the nasal sound, how to use it in vocab. Nasal sound. The vocab for nasal is n. This. So either it is or n. Sometimes it sounds like n, sometimes it sounds like M. But where? How we will differentiate? So it's very easy. The word for like all in Japanese, it is called minna. So it will come a whole sound, na, minna. But when we are using it with any other letter, sometimes it is used as M and sometimes it become nasal. Like the word for weather is tenki. So tenki is te, ki. We never say tenki, we say tenki. So N here is nasal and not the na sound. So it's not na always, sometimes it is tenki and not tenki. So tenki is wrong, we'll always pronounce it tenki, which is weather, mosam. Next is empitsu. The word pencil is called empitsu. So we'll write A, nasal sound, P, su. So when there is this maru coming after N sound, it will pronounced as M. So here it is A, pitsu, empitsu. So here it is not N because maru is there after the N letter. So it is empitsu. Next we'll learn the numbers in Japanese. Numbers will start from 1 till 10. 1 is called ichi. 2 will be ni. 3 yo. 3 is san. 4 is yo or yon. Sometimes also she, but she is also a word for death, so Japanese usually avoid pronouncing it for number 4. 5 is go. 6 is roku. 7 is shichi or nana. 8 is hachi. 9 is ku or q. 10 is ju, small as well as the long. So next we'll learn how to make the letters after 10. So let's do it. If it is 11, so we'll add it using the tens. So first if it is 10 plus 1, so we'll write the 10 which is ju and then 1 which is ichi. So ju ichi will be 11. If it is 23, then first we'll take the multiple out of it of 10. So 2 into 10 plus 3. Then it will go like ni, ju, san. Suppose it is 50. So it will be 5 into 10 and it will be written as go, ju. If it is 73, then it will be 7 into 10 plus 3. Nana, ju, san. So this is how numbers are calculated, are read in Japanese. Next we'll learn the pattern the first pattern, that is A, Va, B, Des. We'll write Ha, but we will read it as Va. A, Va, B, Des. We'll write Desu, but we will read it as Des. Su will be read as Sa. Here the particle in Japanese postpositions are called particles. Va is the topic particle. Va represents the topic, or we can say subject. So whatever we talk about will take particle Va. Our topic will always take particle Va. So if I talk about pen, it will be pen Va. If I talk about Mount Everest, it will be Everest san Va. If we talk about teacher, teacher in Japanese is sensei, sensei Va. So whatever we talk about, the subject, the topic will take particle Va. Particles are supposedly, we can say it is a postposition in Japanese. Next, let's make a sentence using A, Va, B, Des. If I say, I am Channi, okay, so I is Watashi, Watashi, Va. Chandni, we can use katakana. My name, since I am foreigner for Japanese, my name will be written in katakana. Watashi wa Channi desu. It means I am Channi. So the first stage of Japanese sentence pattern is about recognizing things. What is this? Who are you? So there the answer will come in the form of A, Va, B, Des. If I say he is a student, or Mr. Ram is a student, Mr. Tanaka is a teacher, that sentence is a kind of introduction for that person. So that there we will use A, Va, B, Des. If you say Mr. Tanaka is a student. So Tanaka is a name. In Japanese, after writing or after taking anybody's name, we put san to show respect towards the person. So Tanaka san. Tanaka san wa, topic, particle. Student is gakusei. We write gakusei, but we read it as gakusei. So gakusei desu. Tanaka-san wa gakusei desu. Mr. Tanaka is a student. If we say Miss Yamada is also a student. Miss Yamada is also a student. So here also is special. Now the pattern A, Va, B, Des here will change into A, Mo, B, Des. Mo will replace particle Va, and this will give the meaning of also. So now our topic is Yamada. Our subject is Yamada. So we'll write Yamada-san wa. We'll write Yamada-san mo. We'll drop wa particle. Okay. Yamada-san mo. Student is gakusei. Yamada-san mo Gakse des. Next, if we want to put a question, is Mr. Tanaka a student? Suppose we want to know, is Mr. Tanaka a student? So how we'll do that? To put a question, we use particle ka at the end. So similarly, we'll make the sentence Tanaka-san wa. We'll start with that. Tanaka-san wa. Student is Gakse. Tanaka-san wa Gakse desu ka? Tanaka-san wa Gakse desu ka? So ka will make the whole sentence a question. And in Japanese we don't use the interrogation sign here. We'll put particle ka and it is enough. So now we can reply. So there will be two kind of answer. First, yes, and that will be hi. Hi, so this. So this is also means yes, he is. Yes, that's true. Or we can say hi, Tanaka-san wa Gakse desu. Or answer 2 could be no, Tanaka is not a student. So how we will reply for that? We'll start with iie. Iie is no. Iie, Tanaka-san wa Tanaka-san wa Gakse de wa Arimasen. Tanaka-san wa Gakse de wa Arimasen. So this is how we'll put a negative sentence. So the frame for negative sentence is A wa B Dewa Arimasen. This will change into Dewa Arimasen and it will become a negative sentence. Next, how to make a relation between two things. Suppose this is a pen, but if I say my pen, this is a university, but if I say my university, so for that relation position we use particle no. No particle is used for to show relation between two things or to show possessions. So if I say this is a pen, so this is this, that and that one, suppose. So this is kore, that is sore, and that one which is far for both is are. Kore is used for the things which is near to the speaker. Sore is used for the things which is far for the speaker but near to the listener. But are is postposition for are is for which is far for both listener and the speaker. So if I say this is a pen, we say kore wa pen desu. Kore wa pen. Pen will be written in katakana. It has come as it is. Kore wa pen desu. Now if I say this is my pen, so my pen means I am showing my right on it. This is my position. So it will be kore wa Watashi no pen desu. So, kore wa watashi no pen desu. Next, if we put sore. So, suppose that is a camera. So, sore wa camera desu. Katakana camera is camera. Desu. Now, if I say that is friend's camera. Friend in Japanese is called tomodachi. Sore wa tomodachi no camera desu. Sore wa tomodachi no camera desu. So that is my friend's camera. So this is how we use kore, sore and are. Now the things have been recognized. What is this? This is a pen. What is that? That is a camera. If we put a question, we will just add ka into it and it will become a question. Is this your friend's camera? Sore wa tomodachi no camera desu ka? Hai, so desu. Sore wa tomodachi no camera desu. If we put ka in the above sentence, kore wa pen desu ka? Hai, sore wa pen desu. Now if you put a question in are and say what is that, something is really far, so we will say are wa nan desu ka? So nan is question, which is what. Are wa nan desu ka? So you can say are wa daigaku desu. Okay, so that very far is a university. Anything we can answer for that. Next, if we have recognized any object and then we talk about the object. Okay, so this is a pen. This pen is mine. Okay, or this pen is black. This pen is expensive. So now we are talking about the object. After recognizing it, we'll make the sentence using kono, sono, ano, which will replace kore, sore, are. So kore, sore, are, we have not recognized the object and we are recognizing it into it. So kore wa pen desu. And then we say kono pen wa watashi no desu. So this is a pen, kore wa pen desu. When we say this pen is mine, it will be kono pen wa watashi no desu. So let's do it. Kono, sono, ano. So after kono, sono and ano, wa particle will not come directly. It has come after any object. So kono pen wa, sono horn, horn is book, horn wa, or ano camera wa. So this pen is mine. Kono pen wa watashi no desu. Watashi is for I, no desu, mine. Or sono hon wa, if it is an old book, we will say furui. If it is friend's book, sono hon wa tomodachi no desu. Tomodachi no desu. And if that camera is my uncle, so oji-san no desu. So today we learned desu with kore, sore, are and kono, sono, ano. The negative of desu is Dewa, Arimasen. Now how to change desu into a past form? Kore wa pen desu. This is a pen. But this was a pen. How will say that? So this will change into deshita to make it a past. It will become kore wa pen Des. It will change into Kore wa pen deshita. So it is present and it is past. In Japanese, present tense and past tense are same. We have a different structure for tense only for the past. So present plus future is the same, past tense is different. Now how to change the same into a past negative? This was a pen will change into this was not a pen. How? Kore deshita will change into Dewa Arimasen deshita. And suppose we write this was not a pen. Kore wa pen Dewa Arimasen deshita. This will become this was not a pen. So this is how we learn all the four tenses, four forms of the basic pattern. First is des, negative is Dewa Arimasen, past is deshita, and past negative is Dewa Arimasen deshita. So here we finish the class today. We'll do the next pattern in the next class. Thank you.